If you want to search for a specific tool, go to the Edit menu and select Menu Search. From here, you can type in the tool that you're searching for. For example, I can search for the Scale tool and I'll have a list of options that match my search term. The second option would allow me to use the Scale transform. So I'll select that and it will begin to use that tool in the 3D viewport. Alternatively, I can press the F3 key on my keyboard. This is going to bring up the same search menu. Note that when I do this, the search menu will appear at the location of the mouse cursor. So if I bring my cursor up towards the corner, press F3, the search bar will appear here.